Okay, today I'm going to be doing some dips. I'm going to try a few of them. I've got a couple of little cheap wooden canvases here that I'm going to dip with. So I'm going to place my base down. I'll tell you the colors I'm using once I start adding them, because I might not use all the colors that I have open. I'll let you know as I add them. First I'm adding my base. I'm going to spread it out. Sure you can see. Yep. Actually, it's too thick, so I'm going to spread it over. I'm going to use it over here too. Actually, I'm going to do... The paint that I'm using is just black flow acrylic, Artist Law flow acrylic, mixed with regular Floetrol. Just make sure I have enough space. All right, I'm going to add a little bit of paint on the canvas as well. Oops. Too much. I added too much, so I'm going to add it to the other canvas. And I'm not going to worry about the sides till later. I can always paint on the sides if it doesn't turn out. Okay, so it's very thin. That goes over there. This one. What's wrong? Okay. I haven't done one of these in a long time. I got a piece of plastic down here. It's actually one of those things that you slide down a snowy hill with. I forget what they're called. It's just like a sheet. Oops. Thick plastic. Anyway, when I do the dip, if I like what I've got here, I can let it dry and save it and use it as a skin for something else later. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I gotta work fast here. I'm gonna drizzle paint on here. This here is TLP Twinkle, and I'm just going to drizzle. Just make sure I can. This is Brilliant Magenta. Then I've got some gold. That was Josania magenta. The Atelier is, or the it's rich gold, and it's Atelier. Yeah. So, and these are my leftover bloom paint mixtures that are gotten real thick, so I'm just using them up. I think that's enough. So what I'm going to do is just going to lay my canvas right on top. Oops. And then I'm going to lift up like this. Oh, cool. It's hard to see on camera. It's pretty cool. I like it. I don't mind that either. Nice. There's an air bubble. I gotta pop. Cool. So this is a nice way to use up some old paints that don't really work for you anymore. I'm going to put that aside. I'm going to do pretty much the same thing on this side. Instead, maybe I'm going to use Pinot Gris on this canvas. Okay, so oops. Okay, that's enough of that one. I'm going to use blue this time, and it is CLP Mermaid. It'll go good with the Pinot Gris, because that is kind of greenish. And I'm going to put a little bit of ball gown on this, TLP ball gown. Just a couple of spots here and there. And I'm going to a little bit of rose gold, or not rose gold, rich gold. I think I'm just going to put it at the bottom, maybe near the bottom. Okay. Yeah, same thing. I can even make more out of this one with another canvas. Okay. So now I'm just going to lift up again the same way. Oh, this one didn't quite turn out. Well, it's not too bad. I wonder if I should dip it again. I think I'm going to dip it again. That's not bad. What do you think? Kind of cute. You know what? I think I'm going to add more of the Pinot Gris. And more of the blue, maybe. Try to dip it again. I'm not quite. I'll see on it. Let's try one more time. If not, I'll just scrape it and then try again. That's really looking cool. So it's better than this. I wonder if I should I gotta be careful to that looks better than my canvas. Okay, I gotta prick it up. That's kind of neat looking. Again, it's got a couple of bubbles. Where's my, come on. Oops, I'm just trying to pop some air bubbles. It doesn't look too bad. It'll look nicer once it's dry and then it's resined. Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you a close-up now. This is with the warm light. All I did was turn on my my iPhone. What do you call it? Flash. Shows off the interference. Interference? Yeah. Okay. Next one. Okay. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and have a great day. Bye for now.